Hello IP students, today our topic is SQL operators, and SQL operators are basically result words which perform arithmetic and logical calculations and sometimes comparison. So these are the three basic types of operator. These are arithmetic operator, comparison operators and logical operators. These are the three basic types of operators. So let us consider them one by one. First of all, SQL arithmetical operators. If a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20, then we have to perform different arithmetic operators. We have to perform different arithmetic type of calculation. These are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and finally modulo division. This is quite different from division because it gives us remainder value. So if a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20, then after adding it gives result 30. And a minus b and b gives result minus 10, a into b gives result 200, and b slash a will gives us result 2, and b modulo a, it means 20 modulo 10 gives us result 0 because there is no remainder at all. These are the arithmetic operators. Now if we have to perform this in SQL, then open MySQL. Version 5.1 is there. First of all, it asks us password. So after typing a password, MySQL prompt appear, and if there is a database name prev exists, then we use prev and terminate with a semicolon. After enter, you can see that data after that we can do any task in this database. So let us perform different types of arithmetical calculations in this database. First of all, add two numbers. To perform addition of two numbers, we write select, then 10 plus 20, and terminate it with a semicolon. By using semicolon, we can terminate a statement. So the result is 30. In similar way, if you want to subtract these two numbers, then write select 10 minus 20, and the result will comes finally, and result is minus 10. So if we want to perform multiplication, then write 10 into 20, that is a stick mark, and we give result 200. And if we want to perform division, then write 10 slash 20, and the final result is 0.5. And if we write 20 divided by 10, then answer is 2.000. Answer is will be in float value. And if we perform modulo division gives us remainder. So 20 modulo division 10, it means answer is 0 because remainder is 0. And if we take value 21 instead of 20, then answer will be 1. So 21.5, let us take value 21.5, then the remainder will be obviously 1.5. So 1.5 will be the remainder. So these are the arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo division. Now let us consider SQL comparison operators. So comparison operator basically perform comparison task equal to, this is not equal to, this is also not equal to. There are two operators used for not equal to purpose, and greater than, less than equal to, and greater than equal to. So these are the different comparison operators. Now let us perform it in SQL. So answer will be either true or false as far as comparison operator are concerned. 1 is for true and 0 is for false. So if we perform, if the result will be 1, then the answer is true, and result is 0, then answer will be false. So first, as usual, result is 0, 0 means false here. Next, so 10 is not equal to 20, obviously, so answer will be 0. Now we take not equal to sign, then answer will be just reverse it, apostrophic mark with equal to, and answer will be just reverse as that of previous one. Answer is 1. 1 means 2. Not equal to have 2 or more can be performed in 2 different ways. Second way is joining less than and greater than sign both simultaneously. Then this perform not equal to, and so answer is again 1. Now less than 10 is greater than less than 20. 10 is less than 20. Of course, 10 is less than 20. Answer will be 1, and answer will be 1. And next, 10 is greater than 20. Answer will be false. It means 0. Yes, answer will be 0. Answer is 0. And then less than equal to and greater than equal to. These two operators perform the same fashion. Greater than equal to 20. Then 10 is not greater than 20, so answer will be again 0. Next, we will take 10 is less than equal to 20. 20 is greater than 10, so answer will be 1. So in this, greater than equal to, less than equal to, equal value is also considered. So these are the basically basic comparison operators. We can perform different types of operations using these values, such that these are some more calculation performed using comparison operators. Now let us consider SQL logical operators. These logical operators basically perform logic operations. First of all, AND. So using AND, we can add two numbers. If both conditions are true, then answer will be true. If there are more than one conditions and all conditions are true, then answer will be true. It means answer will be 1. If at least one condition is false, then answer will be 0. It means answer will be false. So and that is the use of AND operators. So using AND, we can add two or more condition using AND operators. So if one condition is false, at least one condition is false, answer is 0. If all the conditions are true, only then answer will be true. So let us check it. Here we give a condition, select 10. My first condition is 10 is less than 9, greater than 9, and 11 is less than 12. 10 is greater than 9 is 2, 11 is less than 10, 12 is false. 11 is less than 12 is true, and 10 is greater than 9 is also true. First condition is true, second condition is true, then the answer will be true. Answer is true. Answer is 1. Both conditions are true, then answer will be definitely 1. So here answer will be true, that means 1. So using AND operators, you ensure that if all the conditions are true, then the answer will be true. If at least one condition is false, then the answer will be false. Again, let us take 10 is greater than 9 and 11 is less than 12 and 13 is greater than 12. All conditions are true in this case. Answer will be true. It means answer will be 1. Answer will be 1. So you can add two or more conditions using AND operators. And here let us take one condition false, then answer will be false because one condition is false. If at least one condition is false, then answer is definitely false. It means answer will definitely 0. So assure that all conditions are true whenever you want to use AND logical operators. If at least one condition is false, then answer will definitely false. So that is the use of AND operator. Now um, let us take another operator, that is NOT operator. It and OR operators. There are two basic operators using in logical operators, and there is one more is null operators. So let us consider one by one. First, we perform two operation 10 minus 9 and 11 is less than 11 is greater than 12. Actually, we write or 10 minus 9 or 11 is greater than 12. So 10 minus 10 greater than 9 is true, and 11 greater than 12 is also true. Both conditions are true, then answer will be true. It means answer will be 1 in that case. And statement are separated by using OR operators. If at least one condition is true, if at least one condition is true, then the answer will be true in case of OR operator. So OR operator add two statements. Whenever at least one statement is true, then the answer will definitely 1 or answer will definitely true. If all conditions are false, only then the final answer is false. It means final answer is 0. If at least one condition is true or one condition is true, then answer will be 1. So let us take another example. 10 is greater than 11 and 11 is greater than 12. Answer will be 0. Why answer will be 0? Because 11 greater than 12 is false, and 10 greater than 11 is also false. So both statements are false. So our final answer will be 1. So these are the basic operators. Um, Let us take another example. 10 is less than 11 or 11 is less than 12. Answer will be 1. Of course, answer will be 1. Why answer will be 1? Because 11 is greater than 10 is true. 11 is less than true. Both answers are true. So final answer will be true. And using OR operator, at least one condition is true, then the final answer will be true. You don't need to check other condition. If first condition is true, then definitely answer will be 1 or answer will be 2. Now let us take another example using OR operators. Here we take three different conditions. First is 10 is less than 11, second is 11 is less than 12, or third is 5 is greater than 1. So 5 is greater than 1. There are three conditions. Using semicolon to terminate the statement, and as the answer is final answer is first condition is true. First condition is true, then the answer will be 1. No need to check other conditions. Whatever are the other condition, you don't need to check other conditions. If first condition is true, answer will be true in case of OR, and here answer is 1. So final answer is 1. Similarly, if we change this situation and write 10 is less than 11 or 11 is less than 9 or 5 is greater than 11, then answer again will be 1, because first condition remains unchanged. Rest conditions are true or false, it doesn't affect on the final answer. And this is 10 less than 11, 10 is less than 1. These are the basically basic operators, and last one is not operator, is basically negate the value. Whatever is the answer, it just reverse it. If answer is 0, using not, it will be 1. If answer is 1, then using not, it will be 0. So it just negate the answer. Select 10 is less than 11, and second condition is we write and take second condition, 10 is less than 11 and 11 is greater than 10. So first condition is true and second condition is also true. Answer is 1. Obviously answer will be 1 because they are separated by 1. But if we write not, then it negates the answer. It means answer will be 0. Let us check this. Use parenthesis to enclose the whole condition, and let us take another example. Answer is 0. Here we take example 12 is less than 11 and 11 is greater than 10. 11 is 12 is less than 11 is false, and 11 is greater than is equal to 11 is less than 11 is greater than 10 is true. So first condition is false, so don't need to check other conditions, because if at least one condition is false, then the answer will be 0 or answer will be false. 0 is equivalent to false. So answer is 0. But if we negate this statement, then let us check what happens. If we write select and write not, enclosed whole condition in parenthesis, and then check the answer, answer will be 1. So it negate the answer. In first condition answer will be 0, and using not answer will be 1. So using not operator you can negate the answer. Just reverse the answer using not operator. So that is the basic use of not, it negate the answer. And last one is null operator. In previous lecture I told you that null and 0 are two different things. Null means there is no value at all, and if we have to check that particular column and particular column is there is any value that have that have 0, or whether it is a contain a value or whether it is not contain a value, then using is null operator we can easily check it. If it is null value, then the answer will be given yes, it means true, it means 1. Or if there is no null value, then answer will be given by it as depend on condition. Let us check it is null. Is null means it is checked that whether value is null or not. So let us check it one by one whether the value is null or not. 0 is not equivalent to null. So let us check 0 is 0 is equal to null. So the doubt will be clear. 0 is not equal to null. We know that. So let us check a value. 0 is null. Answer is of course 0. It means false. Answer will be false. 0 is not equal to null. Yes, answer is 0. So that is the basic operation performed by is null operator. So these are the operators. There are so many other operators used in logical operations, but these are the four important logical operators. When we study SQL in detail, then we can consider them at that stage. So thank you very much for